Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your store name on Shopify. Changing your store name is an essential part of customizing your online store and establishing your brand identity. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the admin dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Settings option located at the bottom left corner of the page. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your store. On the Settings page, click on the General option. This is where you can update your store's basic information, including the store name. In the Store Name field, enter your new store name. Make sure it is unique and reflects your brand identity. After updating the store name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This will save the changes you made to your store's settings. It is essential to note that changing your store name will not affect your store's URL, but it will update the name displayed on your store's pages and in the browser title bar. In addition to changing the store name, you should also update your store's title and meta description. These are important for search engine optimization and will help customers find your store when searching online. You can update these fields in the Standards and Formats section of the General Settings page. Best practices for changing your store name include ensuring it is consistent with your brand identity, making sure it is easy to remember and spell, and avoiding names that are too similar to existing stores. It is also essential to update your store's name on all social media platforms and marketing materials to maintain consistency and avoid confusion. In conclusion, changing your store name on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can update your store name and establish a strong brand identity. Remember to keep your store name consistent across all platforms and marketing materials to ensure a cohesive brand image.